This is EcoStruxure ArcFM Mobile in 60 seconds. In today's fast-paced world, communities are constantly evolving, and so are the demands of utility companies. To keep pace, Schneider Electric provides ArcFM Mobile to deliver instant, intuitive access to data right when they need it most. Instant access to asset information, work locations, and markup workflows enable seamless fieldwork, regardless of internet connectivity. ArcFM Mobile's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate complex networks, locate assets, and perform maintenance tasks efficiently. And with near real-time synchronizations, updates in the field are instantly visible on the desktop, ensuring data quality in the GIS asset repository. From routine operations to emergency response, ArcFM Mobile empowers your field workforce by making GIS easy to access, analyze, and update. This is EcoStruxure ArcFM Mobile in 60 seconds.